Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to add videos on Shopify. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to add videos to your Shopify? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so the first thing you need to do, first things first, log into your Shopify account. On your dashboard, click on View Your Online Store. It's on the left. Go edit your homepage, and once you're in that screen, scroll down on the menu on the left until you see Video. Click on it and it will open the video screen. Scroll down a bit until you see where it says URL. This is where you can add videos. So you can either paste a URL link for a YouTube video or for other sites like Vimeo, Facebook, Instagram, and much more. So what you need to do is simply paste the URL you want on the URL tab and you're all set. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.